Yamaha is pleased to announce the launch of the XSR900GP sports heritage model for the European market, reminiscent of the GP factory machines of the 1980s. Based on the XSR900, the new model has been built and tuned to provide comfortable performance on winding roads and sporty handling. In terms of design, the new Grand Prix machine-style exterior represents the history and spirit that Yamaha has cultivated in the world's most prestigious road races. The main features include distinctive design evocative of Grand Prix racers of 80s and 90s. New 5-inch full-color TFT display with connectivity. High-grade fully adjustable front and rear KYB suspension. Newly designed clip-on handlebars and handlebar switches. Delta box style chassis with optimized rigidity. Comfortable main seat, new side covers and removable seat cover. New footpeg style and positioning. Yamaha ride control and 6-axis IMU. Cruise control, 3rd generation quick shift system and assist and slipper clutch. EU5 Plus compliant sophisticated high torque CP3, 890cc engine. Yamaha spin-forged wheels fitted with Bridgestone Badlax Hypersport S23. The new XSR900GP will be available in 2 colors, Legend Red and Power Gray.